Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add close friends in your Instagram. Maybe you want to add your real friends in your close friends on Instagram, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add close friends on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you are in here, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, simply tap on the settings and privacy. And then in here, to add a close friend in your Instagram, simply scroll down and you will see here the close friends under who can see your content. Tap on this close friend. And then in here are the suggested. For example, you want to add this to your close friend, simply tap on it and then tap on the done button. As you can see, your close friends and here is your one person. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add close friends on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add close friend on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.